The journeys we take are unexpected, filled with surprises. So we rely on reliable companions to tackle and overcome the challenges to our destinations. That is why we choose vehicles that can drive us forever into this adventure.
Call 911 on my killer. You know it's a confess. Bang bang.
CarLane Customs feature this ultimate companion, which once roamed the tough roads of Great Britain, now being daily driven in Sri Lanka, adding a certain element into the atmosphere of automotive culture in Sri Lanka. Today, CarLane features this very special owner and his special vehicle. His name is Nalinka and he drives a 1991 Defender. This particular Defender started life off as a dark green 2.5 litre 12J diesel variant. It needed this restoration in time because of a little bit of rust and wear it had during the time period. The body panels were removed from the rivets for better access. The chassis was sandblasted before reinforcing and undercoated for rust prevention. Panels were sandblasted as well before paint prepping them to be painted with a white color The vehicle is his daily driver for almost 20 years. It's an incredible feeling. He shared his experience with us. As he tackled this rugged machine, we could tell this vehicle has become a part of him. Photography has been his hobby. This had led him to great adventures with the Defender. He shared his experiences about going into the wilderness of Yala and driving through the scenic roads leading to Jaffna and Manam. What we can tell from the man and his machine is there is no point of having adventure if you never own a Defender.